Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Greetings of the day depending on your time and location. How are you guys doing? Yeah, hello, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Guys, we bring latest styles, okay? So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or maybe you've been watching my videos but you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe, turn on your bell notification in order not to miss out whenever we upload a new video. Trust me, you can't afford to miss our videos. We bring more stylish, trendy and inspiring nail design and hairstyles. If you're a nail tech or maybe you're looking for some inspiration, trust me, we've got something for everyone. Just subscribe to the channel to stay stylish, okay, and updated of latest nail trend. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today's video is gorgeous. Like, carefully selected these fascinating nails ideas for my ladies. Guys, these are very beautiful and unique nail artists, and this nail can be rocked to any occasion. Like, you can rock to birthday parties, you can rock to wedding, you can rock it to any event and looking so beautiful. So guys, just watch to the end, select your favorite slide and share to your loved ones, okay, so they can be part of the video. And please, as you watch the video, only give it a thumbs up. That's the only way of supporting this channel. Guys, do not take your engagement for granted. Trust me, we love you guys, and we're seeing all your support. God bless each and every one of you. And please keep supporting us and keep bringing elegant and mind-blowing new ideas and hairstyles to you. Thank you so much, my ladies, as we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye.